All right, language explorers. So let's look at this Saturday's Saturday phrasal verb. So brighten up. Brighten up. So let's try and get a light, perhaps. A light. Aha, here we are. Brighten up. Brighten up, yes. Make something more beautiful. And give more light or cheer up. Yeah, so let's say like happy. Here we are. Cheer up. Very good. Yeah, this will brighten up her day. This will brighten up her day. Yes, this will brighten up her day. My day is always brighten. Well, you always brighten up my day. You always brighten up my day. You always brighten up my day. How cool is that? She tries to brighten up our evening. Yeah. This story will brighten up the drive. Yeah. We think that event should brighten up our week. Yeah. These chocolates might brighten up things around here. Yeah, possible. Possible. How cool is that? How cool is that? Yeah. They wanted to brighten up the library. Maybe add some more decoration, more colourful things, a different carpet, nicer furniture. Yeah. How can I brighten up things here? Yeah, maybe. Okay. Maybe a nice wall paint or wallpaper or some decoration. Yeah, maybe, maybe not. Depends. Yeah, different ideas. How cool is that? He's trying to brighten up our living room with lights. Different coloured lights to brighten up our day. Yes. But what will really brighten up our day is to see them. Yes. Seeing them will brighten things up. Seeing them will brighten up the day. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. Yeah. I want to brighten up their week with a celebratory party. Yes. Do you really think that would have brightened up the day? Yeah. Would that have really brightened things up? I doubt it. I doubt it, yeah. No. Okay, it would not work. Things would be sadder and not as good, not as exciting. Yeah, how cool is that? So brighten up. Make something more beautiful, more light, or cheer up. Yeah. Yeah, how cool is that? Let's try and get a picture, actually. Decoration. Not quite. Okay, all right. Yeah. So, can you use brighten up in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? Yeah, and like the video, subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me by searching English with Adrian on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram, as well as on Udemy when you search for Adrian Nanchev. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.